Hi guys! Today we're making mashed parsnips and scallions. First, you need to peel and chop 6 medium-sized parsnips into about 1-inch size pieces. After that, smash approximately 6 or 7 cloves of garlic, depending on how much you like garlic. Add the parsnips and garlic to a large pot and cover with water. Next, add plenty of kosher salt. Cook this over medium-high heat until the parsnips are tender. Once tender, drain the parsnips and add them back into that same pot. Now it's time to add butter, heavy cream, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mash all that until your desired consistency. After a bit, I switched to an immersion blender, but you don't have to. Finally, I added chopped scallions, the white and green parts, and mixed it into the parsnip mash. Place them into a serving bowl and top them with butter. So good! It's time to eat. Get the full printable recipe at kudoskitchen by Renee.com.